Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're good. How are you? Tonight is the night of pizza. We've got the ingredients.
We do. And you only need 2 for the best.
Easy to make, homemade pizzas. Who's gonna make the best one? We'll see.
Me.
Me.
Nah, me.
Me.
I'm a pro.
Me.
Baby, I like the way you're moving, like the way you're grooving. Your hips have got me losing my mind, baby. I need to make you mine. You're looking
Oh.
Let's do a haul because we're generous.
We've got everything we need. First off, we have
Murder.
I'm
a vegetarian!
we have pepperoni. Hey! Get pepperoni!
Cheese, mature,
What's the numbers? Oreos, they're very key for
snacky.
no, for the pizza. Yeah, next.
Not 1, 2, 3. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. By the way, this is Leonie. Leonie is my sister. How old are you, Leonie? 21. I knew that.
21.
Okay, what have we got next?
Chestnut mushrooms, high in vitamin D.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Yogurt. This is one of the ingredients that we use to make the dough. And the other ingredient is self-raising flour. Shout out Elsa Cooper for giving me this amazing recipe.
Tomato puree.
Oh. So, it's really easy to make these pizzas. All you need is self-raising flour and Greek yogurt. Well, I like to use Greek yogurt. You can use soy yogurt if you want this to be completely vegan or vegetarian. But what you do is get 400 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of yogurt. This makes about 3 pizzas though, and we're making for 4 tonight because Nathan is home. And we're gonna be making pizza for him as well. So it'll be 533 grams of flour and 400 grams of yogurt. Then you wanna just basically mix it all together, crush it all up till it forms a ball. Leave it to prove for an hour so you can put cellophane over it or just like a tea towel in your mixing bowl. And then after an hour, you can make your pizzas, decorate them. Takes 13 minutes in the oven. Really easy. And then you eat them. Washing our hands.
Yeah, wash our hands. Also, getting a haircut is Friday. It is getting long on the sides. No, the top's staying the same.
I think he should make the top short, so it's like only like an inch, but
Comment below.
it's up to you.
Should I cut my hair? Or not?
On top, I think he should have been, but it actually looks quite nice long.
Anyway, the video after this one, I'll have a nice skin fade.
A nice skin fade. Woo! Woo! Alexa, play Black Eyed Peas!
No, that's copyright. I can't. The time is currently 4:30, so you have to wait for Nathan to get home, and then we'll start.
We can make the dough.
Don't interrupt me.
We can make the dough!
Alright, do it at the same time.
1, 2, 3.
We can make the dough!
I can't!
Can you see?
Yeah, so we can make the dough, leave it to prove, and then we'll be back to make the pizzas. Okay. Soft Hawaiian blood. looks like this, and it's like a little bit wet still, and you've managed to like put the whole thing into a ball, you're gonna put it in your bowl, cover this with cellophane or just a tea towel, and leave it to prove for an hour. Or more if you want your dough to be a bit crispier. We'll probably do it for a bit more because we're not going to make these like an hour and a half. We're going to leave this, but it just causes it to rise and it'll make your dough a little bit more crisp.
Doughy.
Less doughy.
Less doughy.
More crispy. You have to knead for about 10 to 15 minutes to get to this point. I know it's kind of weird at first, but it's quite fun. I like it.
Don't play with your food. Life lesson. Yeah! Okay, let's cover this.
I think that's American.
Cellophane's cling film.
In case you didn't know what that is.
This is the hardest thing.
Do you guys like my Jordans?
Oh!
I love them.
Oh.
What are you doing? You
Is
only
that-
need to cover the top.
Is that
Stop!
what? I'm just gonna keep going.
Stop! He's suffocating the
You're
dough.
not supposed. That's what you're supposed to do.
No, it's not.
Boom.
Okay, you guys do not need to do that. He has suffocated the dough. Oh, the smell of this smells really bad. You literally just need one sheet to cover the top. Otherwise your mum are going to be mad that you're wasting
Cellophane.
film.
Same thing. You stand there, and then you slap with your left hand. You then want to grab some baking paper, sprinkle a bit of self-raising flour onto it, and this way you can put the dough on and roll it out. You can then get these bad boys into the oven a lot easier. So let's get it.
We don't want pizza sticking in our surface.
Surface.
So now we've like left this to prove. Roll it out into like a big sausage, and then you want to cut it into however many parts you've made like the amount of dough for. So because we made it for 4 people, we're going to chop it into about equal parts. So me, Mum, Luke and Nathan. We only have one rolling pin in our household, so if you don't have that, you can use a glass. I actually prefer to use a glass, like a small one like this, or this. Just a smooth one without any patterns on, because they make good rolling pins.
As long as it's round.
Yeah, curved, smooth, so you get a nice smooth base. So I'm just pushing out the general shape that I want. You don't have to do this, you can just begin rolling straight away. Roll from the middle outwards, down and out, and then just kind of stay with the shape. This is my pizza, obviously the clear winner. Rolled it out super thin, tomato base, cheddar cheese, mozzarella, mushrooms, courgette, red onion, red peppers, yellow peppers, garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil. The best. On my pizza, I've got ham, tomato, cheese, mushrooms, green and red peppers, onions, and garlic and courgette.
On my pizza, we've got pepperoni, chicken, ham, mozzarella, and a little bit of cheddar. Well, here's mine, here's Leonie's, here's Mom's. Mom's pretty much finished. But that's how you make pizza in a few easy steps. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye guys. Bye. Peace.